We camped at St. Louis State Park quite a few years ago, and we were in a tent at that time because we couldn't decide what we wanted to do. We didn't know if we wanted to fix the Volkswagen or get a Class B motorhome or get a conversion van. Well, the night here decided it for us. We were way back in the boonies camping, and we heard coyotes barking all around us. And I said to Bruce, "Did you bring the hatchet in and put it by the door?" And he said, "No, I left it in the car." And I said, "Oh, great. What are we supposed to do? Have a pillow fight with the coyotes?"
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.